Hi, this is Elsie Kerns, and I have a couple questions for you as we roll into the holidays one more time. Are you sick of that voice of inner judgment, that inner critic following you around, beating you down, making you doubt your decisions? And how about, are you finding that you say yes more than when you really want to say no? Or is it hard to set boundaries? Is it a choice between your personal self-care and pleasing others? So these are some questions that I put out to you because this Sunday, November 17th, from 12 to 5, I'm going to do a workshop, and we're going to work with all of these issues that tend to build up over a period of time and literally create stress, burnout, overwhelm for us. So we're going to learn some easy, effective, successful ways to work with that inner critic, to be able to say no when we need to instead of yes, and also how we can stop sabotaging ourselves over and over. So let's look at these things that we can practice through the holidays, that we can end the year and build our own self-confidence and move forward with a new you in the new year. So one thing I just want to suggest right now is, if you're struggling like the rest of us with the overwhelm that's building up for the holidays, just take a moment to place your hand on your forehead. These are the oh my God points when we get upset. Take your other hand, place it right on the back of the head so that you have that front and back hold. And if you're lying in bed, this is really easy to do because your arms are then supported by the pillows. Hold this for 5, 10, or maybe even 15 minutes if you can, and feel the stress just literally drain out of you. So come join me. I'm going to be at Halo Wellness Center this Sunday, November 17th from 12 to 5. If you're an energy worker and need NCTMB contact hours, they're included in the class. So once again, let's work together to stop sabotage, silence that inner critic, and find ways to modulate our life so that we can say no instead of yes all the time. All of the information is below. You can go right to Halo Wellness in Marlton to their website, elevateyourhealth.com, or call them 856-574-4433 and sign up. This is Elsie Kerns, your Chaos to Clarity coach, and I look forward to the opportunity to be with you this Sunday, November 17th from 12 to 5 at Halo Wellness Center. Thanks a lot. Come join me.